One of the hot topics today is sustainability. So to help with sustainability and reducing the carbon footprint of your manufacturing process, there's tools available like Eco software that allows you to turn on and off all the high power consuming features of your machine. The hydraulic unit, the chip conveyor, the high pressure coolant system can all be turned on quickly with the push of a button. These things will be programmable so that you can reduce your carbon footprint without having to work at it and focus on it. It'll turn off automatically when your shift ends and your operators go home at 5 o'clock.